Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to install Paramount Plus on your Google TV, step by step, so you can start streaming your favorite movies and shows without any hassle. First, make sure your Google TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Step 1. From the home screen, scroll down and select Apps. This is where you can browse and search for new applications. Step 2. Select the Search for Apps option and type Paramount Plus using the on-screen keyboard or voice search. Step 3. From the search results, select the Paramount Plus app to open its details page. Here, you can see the app description, screenshots, and user ratings. Click on Install to download and install the Paramount Plus app on your Google TV. The installation usually takes less than a minute, depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen or go to Your Apps to open the Paramount Plus app. Step 6. Launch the app and sign in using your existing Paramount Plus account. If you don't have an account yet, follow the on-screen instructions to create one or start a free trial. Step 7. After signing in, you can start browsing Paramount Plus's library, including movies, TV shows, and exclusive content. Use your remote to navigate categories, search for titles, and enjoy streaming in high quality. Now you're ready to watch Paramount Plus on your Google TV anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow streaming and tech guides.